Okay, okay. All right, I'm in my chair now. Wait for everyone to go to bed and get some sleep. Well, let me tell you something. I'm sick of all this snoring. I hear with our dear brother over there snoring like a doggone gorilla. I hear the sister, who she thinks she is, snoring like crazy like that. And let me tell you something. Um, I heard you got to get a sleep apnea machine because of your snoring. That's right. Well, Pepsi, look, you snore too. You snore too. I might have to get you a sleep apnea machine too. Oh no 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 no! You're not getting me no sleep apnea machine. You go ahead and wear yours. It sounds like an idiot.